Jonas, look at your tongue.
No. You get it? Okay, good.
A little bit.
Too cute.
Hi. You are so adorable.
I have patience for this. My patience level for ignorance is very low. I mean, I'm not saying I can't be that way either.
Yeah, because sometimes you can be oblivious and you don't realize.
Right.
But
It's like one of those things for me that's so hard to get over.
what are you doing? Turning toys there. You need a toy.
Oh, you brought it back.
You're right, though. Come here. So draggy. You just have to have a good leash.
They love those mice.
Josh, you're so soft. You're so soft.
Jonas.
Oh, really?
You gotta get your mouse. So silly. He just flopped over my leg.
I mean, it doesn't look too bad, at least. You can, like, shave it down completely. No, I use scissors. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, I don't know the clippers. What's the best way to cut their hair? Make them do it at home. Well, if you buy the clippers, the clippers come with the number 10 blades.
Humans, the ultimate playground.
Of course.
How's he doing with the puppy training? He's a little hyper. So
Oh, Susie's trying to play with a clip.
Stay's pretty easy as long as he knows sit. That's fine. What I do at home with my dog, like when I was treating him. You just time him. Like stay and then just like time him for a while. Easy. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Down.